One of our main priorities for the County Road Department in the winter activities is obviously keeping the traveling public safe. And one of the ways that we do that is through our sanding and snow removal. We want to have the roads in good shape when the school buses get out. That's really important for us and when the traveling public's going to and from work. We try to hit all the problem areas the best that we can, and we're aware of a lot of those spots. We sand a lot of the corners and the hills. Obviously we can't sand every place, we'd be out of material and couldn't afford to do that, but we try to hit all the problem areas that we know, and we do the very best that we can to keep the traveling public safe. Our drivers are very well trained. We have an in-house program through our Trans 360 program that we teach our drivers to do proper pre-trips and post-trips and how to operate in a safe manner, and we've got very qualified operators. We cover all of the county obviously, but our main priority normally is the high traffic areas first. We try to focus on that, which pretty much is the valley. We concentrate on that first, and then we work our way out from there. Well, besides driving cautiously, one of the things that really helps us is to make sure when you see a sander that you give them plenty of room and you stay back a little ways. Obviously, we're throwing out fine rock which can damage a vehicle if you're too close, so when we have the sander lights flashing, that's just a warning to please stay back and certainly not pass anybody during that time. We appreciate people just staying back and giving us some room to work. This year it's been pretty dry. It's been cold, but it's been dry. Usually when we have cold weather with moisture, that's when we start really having problems. So it can vary so much from year to year. Some years we don't use much material. Other years we can use a lot of material. So it really depends on fog and moisture content and how much rain we have, and then if it freezes when the rain comes down, that's always a problem, or how much snow we have. So there's a whole bunch of variables that are included into that, but each year it's different. We try to be prepared for each situation. We have different types of brooms. The first one that we utilize is our pickup brooms, and the pickup brooms are mostly used in the curb and gutter areas. It picks up rocks and picks up leaves and big gulp cups, whatever else can block our drainage. And if our inlets get blocked, the water backs up, which can get onto the road and cause damage to houses, or it can be unsafe because water's on the roadway, which can cause accidents, or the water can freeze down, which can make the road unsafe. Also, by picking up that debris, all the drainages that we have eventually make it to the stream, so it also helps promote fish-friendly situations. The other type that we have is this one right here, which is our side cast broom. We use that a lot for maintenance activities and shouldering or cleaning up small rock spills, that sort of thing. It kicks the material off to the side as far as removing rock spills, that sort of thing. And then of course we still have the hand brooms that we utilize for picking up broken glass or small amounts of rocks. We look at ourselves just like a private property owner would look. As far as maintaining the water, we just want to get it through our system as well. Keep it in the ditches and get it away from the roads as quickly as possible for safety, so it doesn't erode the roads away or cause property damage to people's houses, that sort of thing. So a few of the ways that we do that is through using our grade-all, which is like a big excavator, and they load it up into dump trucks and haul it away with a couple flaggers supporting that. Another way that we do that is through our grader ditching, where we use a grader and we go along and we pull the material up out of the ditch and pick it up with the loader and haul it away. Some of the other activities that we do as far as drainage is changing out driveway culverts so that it's the proper size driveway culvert to keep the water flowing smoothly and get it through our system. And same thing with cross culverts, making sure that the culvert is large enough to handle the flow of the water, so when we do get floods, we have minimal impact to our roads, which also protects the traveling public as well.